Okay, and here we can see really that what happens when this bearing plate goes it welded together with camshaft. Okay, and now we look in this area in here, and when I a little bit rotate this camshaft, we can see that this cam in here moves, but that one not. We have really accurate view. Look, this cam moves, but this another one not. And there is cutting point in here, and now when I a little bit lift that my cam, these lifters away, you can see this real situation, and there is really this camshaft is broken. Have you ever seen this cam is broken like in that way? Now we can see that camshaft is hollow and it cuts in here because that areas, this bearing area welded. We can look in here that what it means. This area in here we can see that it is totally like sandpaper in that area. Now like this area in here. And when we compare this another bearing point in here there is this shiny. This has not been to become totally bad. But in here, when we look more, we can see in here there is this welding has been started. Now we can see really clear that there are second point is also damaged. Nice. And all of these are because there was not this oil in here. Now I can take also this camshaft that area away. We can see this better, this situation. Okay, but this is really situation that cam is broken and this engine is totally bad. Okay, and this is all because we don't have oil in engine. Oil sump was almost empty, almost like 0.2 quarters of oil in inside.